Let us see the next topic is polygenic inheritance in wheat kernel color. So, what is mean by polygenic? So, poly means many, genic means genes. So, many genes which is involved in the inheritance. So, polygenic inheritance. This is the another example of the intergenic gene interaction. Several genes that combine to affect a single trait is known as a polygenic inheritance. So only one characteristics which is responsible for the more than one gene, that is several genes that combine to affect a single trait of an organism, which is known as a polygenic inheritance. A group of genes that together determine a characteristic of an organism is called polygenic inheritance. A group of genes that together determine a characteristics of an organism is called polygenic inheritance. This was first demonstrated by Swedish geneticist H. Nilsson Eel in the year 1909 in wheat kernels. Here scientists choose wheat kernel color. The one is a dark red. True breeding. Genotypic of the dark red is R1, R2 is a genes. So R1 which represents the alleles, capital R1, capital R1. R2 gene, so which represents the alleles R2, R2. So more than one gene which is responsible for a single trait or a character. That single character is a wheat kernel color. That represents the color is a red. So dark red genotype which represents more than one allele, more than alleles. Okay, so here is the 4 allele which is responsible for the parental color, wheat kernel color, that is a dark red. So another one is a white kernel color. So which represents the recessive form of a kernel color. So R1 is a gene. So which represents a 2 allele, homozygous allele, small r1, small r1. So R2 is another gene. So that is represents the allele is R2, R2. So both the gene which is responsible for the color of the white. Okay, so more than here also more than one gene and also more than one allele. Okay, so both the parental character crossed with each other. In the F1 generation, there is the possibility of the heterozygous. We already know. Okay, so in the F1 generation, so medium red color is produced. So with the which has a genotype is a capital R1 small r1 and capital R2 small r2, which represents the medium red color in the F1 generation. Okay. After that, there is the selfing of the or selfed of the F1 generation. There is the formation of the 4 gametes and another one 4 gametes. So totally 8 gametes. So like the dihybrid cross in the F2 generation. So out of 16, there is so many shades of the red color is produced in the F2 generation, which is responsible for the intensity of a red color. That is the intensity of a red color which is determined by the number of R genes present in the alleles. Okay. Suppose 4 R gene present means, so capital R gene, capital 4 R gene which is present in a F2 generation means a dark red kernel color is present. That is a like parental. Okay, so here the parent dark red genotype. So 4 R gene present means that is the pure dark red kernel color. Suppose 3 R gene which is present in a F2 generation means, so medium dark red kernel color is produced. Okay, so 2 R gene, capital R gene, 2 capital R gene is present means medium red kernel color. So which is already appeared in the F1 generation. So here the 2 capital origin is present. Okay, so medium red is produced in a F1 generation, like that's the same color is produced in a F2 generation also. The next one origin is present means that is a light red kernel color. So there is the absence of origin means that is also white kernel color like parent character. So here is the 4 small other recessive characteristics of the origin. So there is the absence of capital origin means so white kernel color is produced. In the F2 generation, out of 16, there is the different shades of the kernel color is produced. Okay, so one is a dark red kernel color that like a parent character. So 4 is a medium dark red kernel, 6 is a medium red kernel, and 4 is a light red kernel, and 1 is a white kernel. So medium dark red kernel means there is a 3 origin is capital origin is present here, and 6 medium red kernel means that is a 2 capital origin is present, and 4 light red kernel means there is only 1 capital origin is present here. So here is the absence of the capital origin. So many shades of the wheat kernel is produced in the F2 generation. So out of 16, there is the 15 is a red kernel color and 1 is a parental white color. For better understand, we can see in the flow chart of the wheat kernel color. So first one is a parent generation. So here the scientist took the true breeding of the 2 parent characters. So one is a dark red which represents the more than 1 gene, that is a R1, R2, and which is also responsible for the alleles of 4, capital R1 and capital R2, capital R2. Okay, then next one is a white, so which is also small r1 alleles of the R1 gene and small r2 alleles of the R2 gene. So more than 1 gene. So both the parental character crossed with each other. In the F1 generation, the medium red kernel of the wheat color is produced. So here is the genotypic expression R1, capital R1, small r1, capital R2, small r2. So medium red kernel color of the wheat is produced. Now after selfing of the F1 generation, so interbred and selfed with each other. So capital R1, small r1, capital R2, small r2, and here also capital R1, small r1, capital R2, small r2. So there is the formation of the 4 gametes for this one. Then another one is the 4 gametes of the this one. So both the character of the F1 generation crossed with each other. In the F2 generation, there is the 15 is the shading of the so many shades of the red color and 1 is the white color. Okay. So one is a dark red, capital R1, capital R1. So there is the 4 capital origin is present. So one is a dark red and 4 is a medium dark red. So here 3 capital origin is present, and here there is a 2 capital origin is present, medium red, and then light red only 1 capital or is present, and absence of origin, capital origin. So only 1 is a white kernel of wheat.